Well, it seems that there is something that has gone wrong right here. Koiki Media bringing the world closer to your doorsteps. Sunday, the 30th. It seems that there is some kind of incident that has happened. I'll be telling you in the front, but right now there is all kind of movement, and what you're watching right now is already building the traffic. And I say very good afternoon, good evening. It is Koiki Media live, where we seems, as we can tell you, something has just happened, and we are here to showcase right there and there. Once again, right in the front there is some kind of accident. Not too sure what is happening. I'll be telling you a little bit more. But what you're witnessing right now, North London, close to Edmonton, there's quite a lot of security, emergency. Not too sure what is happening, whether it's an accident, a fire. I'll be telling you everything you need to know. If you're watching us, you're literally watching Koiki Media, and definitely it seems that it is all going down with the emergency. This is the kind of what we want in Yoruba land, and this is exactly what we expect when there is a country that is fully functioning. You would expect to see exactly all the emergency services. This is Edmonton area, close to Angel, and it is Koiki Media currently bringing it live to you right now. As you can see, the crowds are out, and like I said, it seems to be some kind of emergency which is happening already. My name is OLAYOMI KOIKI, and I'm saying a very good afternoon, a very good evening. Oh boy, looks like somebody's falling over there as well. As you can tell, it's a red tape, do not cross. We've got the police, the buses are turning around. There is nobody going anywhere. TFL needs to be aware of this. It is currently going down right here, and I guess it's a fire. I can tell right there in the building opposite the supermarket. It is a fire, and it is Koiki Media bringing it closer to you. Once again, Koiki Media bringing the world closer to your doorsteps from London on the 30th day of the month. You've got all the emergencies all available, and right there and there it seems something has gone wrong in the building opposite the Park supermarket. My name is OLAYOMI KOIKI, reporting for Koiki Media, bringing the world closer to your doorstep. We got 2 fire engines at the moment. We've got the police, we've got the ambulance, and right there and there you can see the crowds all gathering, watching what is going on while we are bringing it live to you on this particular channel. Once again, my name is OLAYOMI KOIKI, reporting for Koiki Media, bringing the world closer to your doorstep. It is all going down on a Sunday where it's meant to be a Mother's Day, but it seems that something has gone wrong. Not too sure exactly what it is, but based on what you're looking right now, it seems it's something heavy. And you can see right there, do not cross. All the buses are turning around, nobody's going anywhere. If you're traveling all the way from Edmonton Angel going to the North Circular and you're wondering what is happening, this is exactly why it is all happening. All the buses are stationed, they're going nowhere. And as you can tell, we are reporting live from here now, giving it to you as it is. My name is OLAYOMI KOIKI. 3 fire engines, sorry, not 2. I didn't see that one. You've got the one with the ladder. You've got one there. And you've got one right. The police blocked the road. People are watching, trying to figure out, as you can tell there, that is a fire engine truck right inside. And right there and there, you can't cross the line because it is currently being blocked. Once again, reporting and bringing it to you. You've got the wire, all the waters are running through. This is how we want a Yoruba country to be for those of us that are campaigning for the right for a Yoruba nation, where everything will be fully working. When there's an emergency, you can rely that the Yoruba government is there ready to support and make it happen. But right now in Nigeria, the jungle, such is not available in all the towns and cities across the Yoruba land today, because investment has gone into the pocket of corrupt politicians, and rather than invest the money, they've stolen the money. Once again, quite a lot is happening. It's a fast-moving development, and the police also is giving, we're not too sure what is going on, but I can tell you there is all kind of different security being drafted here, and it is all going down. It seems that it's a fire. I can tell it's a dark pitch smoke, and we are reporting, Koiki Media, bringing the world closer to your doorsteps. Hopefully we'll be able to get information from the officers in just about a few minutes. But for now, we are still reporting. We hope that no one has died in there. I can't tell yet because I don't have such information at hand. But right at the moment is a heavy, thick smoke. I hope that they will be extending these, because as you can tell, the crowds are all still gathering here. I could smell the heavy, thick smoke. And as you can tell, quite a lot. Fast-moving development is already building the traffic on the Sunday, the 30th. If you're wondering what is happening, TFL, this is exactly where the problem is. All your buses are going nowhere right now. The 349, the 149, the 259, the 102, the 144, the 491, linking into Edmonton Angel. All these will create a lot of traffic, and that's exactly where the problem is. Once again, this is Koiki Media, bringing the world closer to your doorsteps. Reporting, as you can see, quite a lot of heavy traffic has already been built up. And while we are reporting these, I can also tell you there are a couple of CID vehicles. It is all complete lockdown. The buses are going nowhere, and as you can tell, very close to William Hill. The Chicken Zone, the Kana Store, the Park Supermarket. All this is happening as Koiki Media is reporting live from the venue of these. Probably an house fire, I guess. But there'll be more information coming from the officers in charge. But right now, we'll let them do what they need to do best. And as you can tell there, all the buses on the other side are turning around while these ones are quite stationed. Officers are further down on the North Circular A406. The build-up of the traffic will be going all the way back to Tottenham, linking back to the different part of the route. Will be very, very busy right now. But once again, as we are reporting, we are saying to those that are probably walking around the clock, the security agencies, the emergency services, this is what they know how to do best. Saving lives right there and there. This is linking you to the 4th Street on the North Circular, to your left and to the right. This is Koiki Media, bringing the world closer to your doorstep. So this is how we can report, and we'll be giving you more feedback later on. But for now, we're going to be bringing the reporting further down, and more reporting will be coming later on. But for now, as you can see, the fire truck are walking around the clock to see if fire has extended to the next building. But I can tell you from what I've seen, it seems there is a fire right opposite the Park supermarket. And this is Koiki Media reporting. Have a very good afternoon. Thank you so much for joining.